I'd rather.
Oh my god. What have I got myself into here, Mark? Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're chasing lake trout with my friend Mark and Jason Ford, and we're doing something that I'm not too familiar with. I've never really chased lakers before, but it's something I've been anticipating for a number of years, and I'm really excited to be able to get out and do it. So I hope you guys enjoy today's adventure, and yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Friend of me, any me. All these niggas just wanna be a mini me.
Congrats on that, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, dude, no problem.
Jason!
Jesus, Marcus.
Give me your scoop. Where's your scoop, buddy?
It's on this side, sorry.
Take it easy, bro. You gotta
This
take
is
your time,
insane.
Bro. This could be big, you don't know.
He zipped me pretty damn. No shit.
That's tight, bro. That's tight.
Mark, this is crazy.
Buddy, this is... Oh, man, this is why I fish it. I don't know what I do.
I think I'm on 6 pound too.
I'll take your sweet ass time. I'd rather...
Oh my god. What have I got myself into here, Mark?
You wouldn't have done this like that on Forest, or... I'll tell you that. Not like this. This is why. You lost one and this is your second hookup.
Yeah, like 10 minutes ago. That is pretty exhilarating. Holy cow.
Are you kidding me?
Dude, I've watched the videos.
What do people do in the wintertime?
Right?
Tell me. What's more fun in the wintertime?
Oh my god. This is silly. Honestly, I've watched so many videos of like Lakers and like chasing and like Clayton Schick stuff.
You seen it? No.
I haven't seen it yet.
120. Under 20 feet of water, man.
That's crazy, man.
Come stand in a snow dam. You can have the view to fish on the ice.
Oh. Where is he?
I thought I saw a float.
Oh, oh, I'm on something here.
Are you?
Yeah, I'm
Right
definitely.
there. You're on that edge.
Holy moly.
Yeah, keep that rod in the water.
Oh, he's... Oh! Jesus!
There you go. Easy, easy.
Is that a big boy?
That's a good one. Easy. Nice. Easy does it.
I got him on the outside, it looks.
It's okay. You're okay. You're okay.
Oh my goodness. Loose and dry.
That's good. That's probably like the north of 10, right? At least.
Oh my... That's ridiculous. Oh no. What did I just do, gentlemen?
Yeah, bud.
Wow.
There you go, buddy. I think this is recording.
That's awesome. Let me take that off, yeah. That's so cool, man. Look at him flying down there.
Oh yeah. There it is. Stick the GoPro in there.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had a lot of fun putting that together. It was kind of a last minute trip as usual with Mark and Jason, and yeah, I caught my first substantial lake trout through the ice. Wasn't able to get the hook up, but that's how it goes sometimes. I was kind of more focused on learning how to actually pursue these fish through the ice, so yeah. But a few things before I sign off. Thanks again for watching. Appreciate every view and everyone that comes by and checks out my adventures. We weren't fishing on much ice. We had about four inches of black ice, and I mean, that's not a whole lot. It's enough, but you definitely want to be careful and be safe when you head out this weekend for some ice fishing, and make sure you bring all the tools and supplies that are needed to safely ice fish on thinner ice, because that's what will be dealt to everyone that fishes this lake this weekend. I'm not a huge ice fisherman. I'm kind of getting more and more into it every year, and I can't talk with a lot of confidence, but I have had a number of friends reach out to me and just let me know to be careful. And I mean, it's rightfully given that the ice was that thin, but I made sure to wear my floater pants and have my spikes with me in case some severe accident occurs. But yeah, like I said, guys, thanks so much for watching. Be safe this weekend, and hopefully you guys get on them. Take it easy.